Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. As you know, there is a series going on using the half sentence. I create the story that after a long time I am creating a story in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So one day I was in my room and I was having a cup of tea. Suddenly my phone started ringing and it was my mom call, and she was saying me that Shilpa, go outside and purchase something. That I said okay, and carrying out her order I left for the market. And when I was in the market, suddenly I came across to my best friend, and after the ages I met her, and she was going somewhere to purchase something. So she asked me that, hey Shilpa, how are you? I said I'm okay, how about you? She said okay, I'm very fine, thanks for asking. Then I asked that, where are you going? And she started telling me that I'm going somewhere to buy something. Do you want to come with me? I said okay. She said that I'm going a shopping mall. That would you like to come with me? So I said okay, I would like to come with you. So I asked that, hey, what do you want to purchase from the shopping mall? She said, I want to buy a new dress for the party this weekend. I said okay, that's great. Hey, where are you going? She said I'm going this week for my best friend birthday party. I said okay. So then she asked me, where is the shopping mall located? I said that the shopping mall is located in the center of the city. Then I asked, hey, why do you need a new dress? You have a lot of dresses, you can pick any dress from them. So she said that those dress doesn't fit me anymore, so I want to buy something new for the occasion or the party. Then I asked her that, hey, how much are you willing to spend on the dress? She said that I am hoping to find a dress with the range of around 3500 to 5000. 3500 to 5000. I said okay. Then she asked me which stores in the mall have a good collection of dresses. I said that Good Avenue and a Train have a good selection for dresses. You can buy from there. I asked her, what size are you looking for in the dress? She said that I need a small size or a medium size depending on a style. Then I asked again that, how will you get to the shopping mall? That she said that I will take a bus for more convenient. I said okay. After some time we reached the shopping mall, and there my friend's eyes fell on a beautiful dress. It was a red color dress, and she started heading towards the dress. She took a trial, and when she felt that the dress made for her, she immediately bought. Buying the dress, we came outside, and as we came outside, my phone started ringing. It was my mother call. She started scolding me that, hey Shilpa, where are you right now? Haven't you purchased something that I told you to purchase? That I started shivering that I got too much late. Then I asked my friend that I have to go immediately. So I booked a cab, and immediately I go back to my house. And reaching home, I saw my mom was angry and she started scolding me. After that, what could I have done? I had to listen her. But after some time she calmed down, and after that she got the dinner for me, and we had a dinner together. Then we slept, and this is the end of the story. So what I have done, I just created the story. You also want to do the same thing. If you also want to improve your fluency, you need to create the story as much as you can. So create the story, what you have observed, what you have but you have I would say that just try to create the story as much as you can, as much as you speak, try to speak. So I hope this story was helpful for you to speak confidently, to speak fluently. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it story, if you liked it my efforts, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please stay with me and please support my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.